and this topic is this knowledge you will need in grade 9 also. So if you don't learn it, it will not, it's like profit and loss and all will not come to you unless you study commerce again, but this one will come to you. So if you have not understood, I don't think I have anything more to explain. मैं 3 क्लास करा चुका हूं, अब आपको करना है, you have to do, and in that if you are not doing, then Ekaksh, tell me which question I can pick it up from here. 15, then 15. Number 15. Okay. 15 is that x to the power 5, right, bacha? Plus x to the power 4. Okay, let's take it. Tell me, narrate me. X to the power 5. Plus x to the power 4. Plus x to the power 4. Plus x to the power 3. Plus x to the power 2. Plus x plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. 5 divided by x to the power 3 plus 1. X cube plus 1, right? Just check whether I have written the question correctly or not, otherwise we'll get garbage, right? So we'll go straight away. Sometimes answers don't match, so we'll multiply this with x square. So we get x to the power 5, and 1 multiplies with x square, we get a x square out here, right? Now we do negative, negative, this goes away, this goes away. We have x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x plus 1. So I multiply now this with an x. So I get x to the power 4 plus, okay, so 1 plus 1 into x is x. So I write the x here, minus, minus, this goes away, this goes away. This gives me x cube plus 1. Hey, come on, this was easy. Just multiply with 1, so you get x cube plus 1. Kya tha Ekaksh? Where did you go wrong? You tell me. Sir, I forgot. No, see, where you, I'll tell you where you will get confused. Once you use, I hope you had no problem to put x to the power 2. No. Okay, so in that you got x to the power 5, right? Now then 1 multiplies x to the power 2, you get a x square, and you will always place the clan below the clan. Kapoor under a Kapoor. Nancy Srivastav under a Srivastav. Like that you have to do. Next question which you could not do, tell me. No, sir, I never understood. Anyone has any other doubt? Yes, beta. Can I go ahead with the screen? Can I turn off change the screen? Yes, sir. कर ले तब तक मैं देखता हूं इसका क्या है. हाँ बोलो. 20. हाँ चलो 20 करते हैं. आप मुझे नरेट कीजिए, मैं अगला पेज में जाता हूं. Okay, 20. Tell me question number 20. 9x to the power 4. Okay. Plus 4. Divided by 3x square minus 4x. 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay. Just check whether the question is correct or not. Right. So we first check whether we are in decreasing order. We are in decreasing order. We are in decreasing order on this side also. So let's go ahead. मैं अगले क्लास से इन दोनों को ना अलग बिठाऊंगा. जो भी हो, जितना भी नॉलेज हो, क्लास के बाद चेक और क्लास के पहले चेक. क्लास में दोनों अलग बैठो. ठीक है. 3x square. So this becomes 9x to the power 4. Now देख रियान. Now 4 is multiplying with 3. Will give you how much? 12. But it will give rise to a x cube term. So I write minus 12 x cube because there's no x cube out here. So I've kept it separate. Agreed? Now minus plus. This goes away. Now when I write, this term is the highest degree term, so I bring it first. Another way is like how her school is showing, you will put a plus 0 x cube term. That way also you can do, but that is a kiddo way of doing. Now we have to attack 3x square into this. Tell me how much it will be? Plus 4x. So it becomes 12x cube. So, okay, I did not use one more term. Sorry. There were 3 terms. Children, I'm sorry. Okay, so hang on. There was one more term. I missed that. Okay. Okay, 2 multiplies with 3x square gives you how much? 6x square. So I put I put 6x square out here. And now let's do minus, minus, plus. So this thing goes away. And now I have a 12x cube, which is the first term. Minus and minus gives me a minus 10x squared and a plus 4. So 3 multiplied by 4x will give me a 12x cube. Now again, be careful. 4x multiplied by a 4x gives me how much, beta? 16x squared, but that would be a negative 16x squared. And 2 multiplied with a 4x will give me 8x. But there is no x term, so I park it separately. Negative, positive, negative. This takes away. Now this is the highest term. Positive 16 and 10. That's how much? 6x squared. Correct? Then I have got a negative 8x and I have a 4. So obviously, if you multiply with 2, everything matches. Just see. So if you take a 2, so it becomes 6x squared minus 8x plus 4. Now you first check, Ryan, where did you go wrong?
I didn't.
It will be always clan below clan, as simple as that. And if clan is not found, park separate. But when you come to the next step, again, write it in an order in which it is in the decreasing order. Once you don't write in decreasing order, your problem will go wrong. Any other? Anyone has any other question? No questions? Okay. So is there you have the RS Agarwal? So let's go take the RS Agarwal again. So we go to something new. Which page number was it on RS Agarwal? You don't need that. Don't worry. Huh? 90 or 91. Okay. So if I see RS Agarwal, 6A we have done, 6B we have done, and then 6C is all about division that we have done. Now we are on 6D. Okay. And 6D is find all the products. So 6D we will not be putting our head out here. There are some problems which I would like to do. Okay. So this is a new thing. 6D, I'm on 6D, but there are some problems I would like to do on 6D. Okay. So, and that is a very common problem that you will get in your class test. So let's take those problems. RS R.D. Sharma has more of them in detailed manner, but RS Agarwal has only 1 or 2. So we'll do those problems. Now, this is a tricky problem. Okay. So let's see this question. If x plus 1 by x, there is no other way to do this problem apart from the way I'm doing. So pay utmost attention. This is 6D, question number 11. 6D, question number 11. And this is RS Agarwal, RSA. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, find values of, find number 1, x square plus 1 by x square, and number 2, x4 plus 1 by x4. Okay, put your pens down. If you have written the question, don't be worried about writing. First, you have to understand this is a tricky problem. And a common problem in all examination, all schools, they will give you this. First thing, understand that in this question, they will never give you this one to solve without this one. They may not give you this one, but they can't omit this one. This you can do only when you solve the first one. That is the first thing that you need to understand. Okay? And there is no straight cut way of doing this problem. Before doing this problem, tell me, are you versed with the identity a plus b whole square? Do you know this? How many of you know this? How many of you don't know? Or for how many is it new? Are you aware? So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. And if there is any doubt, then you can always be a donkey and do the donkey way. Then also it will be correct. This is a into a plus b into a plus b. So what do you get? A square plus ab. B into a is also ab plus b square. These two terms add up and they give you a square plus 2ab plus b square. In such problems, whenever we are solving, our first attention has to go on this particular sign, because this will decide the whole problem. Okay? Since we know this formula, children, the another formula along with this is, which you can take it very easily, if it is a minus b whole square, then just this term becomes minus. This is how you, as advanced users, you can learn it this way: a plus minus b whole square, a square plus minus twice ab, means these two terms will always be positive. If you are taking blue, go by blue. If you're going by yellow, go by yellow. Otherwise, you're dirty fellow. Okay? So first thing what we should do, we should look at the sign. What is the sign here? Positive. That means this problem will be with a plus b whole square. Okay? So let's try to first do what is x plus 1 by x whole square. Let's try to expand this. It will be very interesting. Okay. So it will be a square plus 2ab, means 2 into x multiplied by 1 by x. And you'll always see an x multiplied by 1 by x will cancel each other, leaving you only 1. X into 1 by x is always 1. No, this is twice ab plus b square. So the b square is 1 by x whole square. If you have slight bit of doubt, then we will erase your doubt. This term is a and this term is b. So we did our a square, we did 2ab, and this is b square. Clear? We've just gone by the formula. Anyone, any issue till this step? No issues? Okay. So can I rub off the yellow portions that I wrote? That was just for your understanding. So I'm taking away my yellow portions. Right? Now, an x and an x cancels each other. So what I'm left with x square. 1 upon x whole square is same as 1 by x square. Yes or no? Right? And this is just 2. This is what? X plus 1 by x whole square. Agreed? Now, if you see, they have asked us to find this fellow, and this fellow is appearing here. They've asked you to find this. So this is carry bag of vegetables. This is carry bag of fruits. After some walking, I can interchange my hands. They allow me. So I'm just interchanging my hands. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to x plus 1 by x whole square. What did they ask us to find? They have asked us to find what is this much portion. यही तो निकालने बोला है ना? X square plus 1 by x square. Find this. So we will make our equation only with this term on the left hand side. So how much is it? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. And thereafter it becomes as easy as water, because just look at this fellow. Which fellow? Look at this fellow. This fellow is always already given to you in the question. Now you are understanding mathematics. X plus 1 by x is already given. How much is it? 4. But you have a square. So it becomes 4 square minus 2, which is 16 minus 2, which is equal to 14. So your final answer is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Have you understood this part? Now you can copy down. Then we will go for the next part. Can anyone say how to proceed for the next part? The next part will be a x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Then you will get x4 plus 1 by x4 plus 2 again. Right? 14 to the power of 2 minus 2 will also come. So right, first copy this. Copy means not from the board. Understand and copy. What did we do? First understand. Our first job is always to check what is the sign out here. Based on that, the problem will go ahead. And this question you will get in your schools.
So, but then x square plus y.
No, not the next problem. Just now concentrate on this problem. Yeah.
How does
Where did I equate both? Where did I equate both? Tell me. I started by using this particular identity a plus b whole square. Have you understood this step? Yes or no? This step, I'm keeping it this way. Have you understood this part?
No.
X plus 1 by x square plus 2. Have you understood this step or not? X square, 1 by x square, 1 by x square, 2.
y? Oh,
This is just for showing you. Now what did I do? I transposed my hands. So this whole term has come this side. And on this side, I have x plus 1 by x whole square. Agreed? I am supposed to find only this much. So I take the 2 on the other side. Now this value is already given to me as 4. So it becomes 4 square minus 2. Now clear? Okay. How many of you have done?
Sir, next one, instead of 2, you'll be
And I will see. But first you understand this part. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Now we are supposed to solve how much? x4 plus 1 by x4. Okay? And I told you, you cannot do this problem unless and until you do this problem. First potato, then aloo paratha. Aloo paratha cannot be made if you don't have aloo. Shall we go ahead? Right. So this time we have been asked to find out what, children? What is the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4? In order to do this, we will now again see this plus sign, obviously. So we will now take x square plus 1 by x square whole square, and we'll try to open this term up. Okay. Hey, first watch, don't do along because it's new to you. First watch, I'll give you time to copy, don't worry. So let's first enjoy the problem. So this becomes a square. Now my a is already a x square, a square. Did you understand why this is a square? Because your a is now x square. So x square whole square, a square. Then comes 2ab. So 2 into x square into 1 by x square. Have you understood? 2ab. Emishka pehle dekh. And then comes b square. So it means 1 by x square whole square. Have you understood this step? Charvik, first always learn. Then you can always, when you need to do at home, then you don't do. And when I ask you to understand, that time you are busy writing. All ulta. Have you understood this step? So let's do this further. So this becomes x to the power 4. And this becomes how much? 2. And what is this term? 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. Now ask yourself one question. Is this not what you are required to find out? So we will again play the same game. That is transfer everything, transfer our hands. So let's transfer our hands. So how does it become? It becomes x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2 gives me x square plus 1 by x square whole square. I did nothing. I just brought this thing to this side and this thing to this side. Agreed? आज एंजॉय कर ले मिश्का. आज लास्ट डे है एक साथ बैठने का. कल से संधि विच्छेद. So or else I can always speak to mama na, is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square, and I don't think she will deny me in my decision. Is this correct? And if I don't speak, that is better. Then she'll ask, what she did do? What did she do? Nothing. Generally, children in this age. Anyways, leave it, ma'am. No. Tell me. Acha, this value we already know. We have found out in our previous problem. This is 14. So this is 14 square minus 2. Very good. Which is a 196 minus 2, which equals to 194. Now, did you understand why this problem will be going after the first problem? Because unless you do the first problem, you don't get the value of this. First aloo, then aloo paratha. So now you copy this. Then we'll do some more problems of this type. Which one? Here. The formula of a plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the 2ab. Are we now fine? Good. Understand and do your own way. Always try. That's how your confidence builds up. First, understand. We had our science ma'am. She used to say, "पहले पढ़ो, फिर समझो, फिर सोचो, फिर लिखो." Means पहले पढ़ो, फिर समझो, फिर सोचो. पहले पढ़ो, फिर समझो, फिर सोचो, फिर लिखो. पहले पढ़ो, फिर समझो, फिर सोचो, फिर लिखो. And how correct she was, barring the accent. These are pretty common in R.S. Agarwal's. So I'm now, are you ready to take a challenge on your own? Yeah. Yeah. I want you to do the 12th question. If anyone doesn't have a book, I'm just writing the 12th question. Can I change the screen? All of you have a book, right? Why? You can't share this book or what? No, sir. Minus sign. मैंने क्या बोला था इसलिए तो बोलता हूं आप भूलते हो. आपका फर्स्ट जॉब क्या है? साइन. So if it is minus, what identity will you use? A minus b whole square. You try to write it, your problem automatically will happen. 100% it will go. Don't give up so easily. Or else tell me the question. I'll just write the question. Tell me.
X minus 1 by x
Is equal to 5.
1 square plus 1.
That's all. We will not go to the next one. So your first job should be to look at the sign. The sign is now negative. So let's take negative, not an issue. Whole square. A square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 upon x plus b square. What is the big deal? You still have this item. Instead of now becoming a minus 2, it will become plus 2. How easy is that? The whole answer, instead of being a minus 2 this time, it will become a plus 2. I've written the question. Here it is. Ekak, should be able to do this?
Is it divide?
It is not divide. Did you not follow the previous problem? This is find. Oh. This was question number how much beta? 22, na? Okay. Let's do it. Why? What is there to interchange? Don't get worried about. Let's make this simple. So this is x minus 1 upon x what? Whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Are you fine? आपको क्या निकालने बोला है? What have been asked to find out? This term, right? So try to bring only this term on the left hand side. Try to bring only this term on the left hand side. So if you take the 2 on this side, is same as that. So can I write x square plus 1 by x square? Imagine that this is on this side, then the 2 comes this way. This is x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. Did you get this step or not? But did you get this step or not? If you have not got this step, I actually jumped a step in between, thinking that you should be able to pick up. The step that I have jumped is simply transferring our hands. That's it. From that step, we have come here. And you know the value of x minus 1 by x, which is 5. Square of that will give you how much? 25. And you add 2 with this, you should land upon 27. Now, let's do the next part. If you have done this part, the next part will be x4 plus. You're saying easy. Many people then in the exam go and then they forget how to do this problem. Can you do this one now? Okay. Our next class is scheduled to be on Sunday. The class will be on Saturday at, our next class is on Sunday, right? The class will be on Saturday at 5 o'clock in the evening instead of 5:30, so that you go, it's a Saturday, so that you leave also early. Our class will be at 5 o'clock. You can write it down. I'll write it on parent forum also. Instead of Sunday. Sunday I'm not there. Sunday the door will be closed. Sunday I'll be, Dracula's will be taking blood from me. Check it should be same. How much are we getting? 27. So we should square 27 and add another 2. It will never be subtract. Why will it be subtract? This has nothing to do. The main problem starts from there. X square plus 1 by x square. So it will be minus 2. Yeah, subtract it will be, not add. It will be subtract. She's correct. She's correct. I'm sorry. Anyone who is struggling or anyone who is finding anything difficult? Question alag hai.
12th question is 1 by x plus.
They told me it is question number 12, whatever. 6D. What are you saying? 6E. What nonsense here. What nonsense here. Look at that one online. He's lying on Hanuman mode. She's lying on the bed. Both legs up. Mm-hmm. Did it tally? See? ये वाला हमसे हो पाया. Everyone is fine on this. All of you, have you understood? Okay, if you have understood, let's see some more questions. Okay, now we go to 6D. Okay, and so this chapter is all about children. 3 identities. This exercise will be based on 3 identities. You know a plus b whole square, you know a minus b whole square. We have one more identity which we call as a factorization identity. So let's just write down the 3 identities once again. Yeah, beta, tell me.
Now the question we solve, we get minus on the second problem. For the example problem, we gave them to be minus there.
Yeah, example problem also.
Yeah. Because
It will be where? Which one? Where did we? We didn't go wrong anywhere. Just let's check. This one, x square. So we had got 14 out here, right? X square plus. Let's see the next part of it. Okay. So can you give me 1 minute, please? So if you see the next part, this is the part Sarvesh you were saying. So it becomes x plus 4 and it becomes a minus 2. So I've taken a minus 2. Why will it be plus, beta? You want to find out only this portion. The 2 has to come this side, right? You check the step first. You get comfortable. Just check the step once. And then we will go. We'll not go with any doubt. Are we fine? Sarvesh? Are you happy or not, first of all? Satisfied? The second part has nothing to go by plus or something. This is a x4 plus 1 by x4, so you expand this. Whatever you are finding out on the first problem, you expand that only. And then we just adjust the 2. So let's see the next one. So we started with this, so we got the value of this. Now we will be expanding this, which will be again a plus 2, and plus 2 will come this side, so it will be minus 2. Fine. So this exercise is based on 3 identities. So this you are already familiar with, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is minus 2ab b square. The third is a factorization identity, which is a square minus b square, and you land up in factors. So it's a plus b multiplied with a minus b. And in fact, if you feel that nahi ye kaise aa gaya, how did this come? So you can just solve the right side. Look at the right side. If we try to solve it, a goes and multiplies with a minus b, and then b goes with multiplies with a minus b. So how much do you get? A square minus ab plus ab minus b square. The plus ab minus ab cancels, and it is a square minus b square, which is same as your left hand side. Check. So our next set of problems will be based on these identities. Okay. So let's pick up those identities. Right. So let's take some problems from what you call the examples. These are very easy ones. Okay. So let's take one problem, and this will actually clear up many of your things. This is not from your book. I'm just taking it from my mind. Okay. So let's say we have a x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square, right? So straight away we can put our identity, and when we put our identity, what do we start thinking? We start thinking this as a and this as b. So we should land up on an a square plus a 2ab and plus a b square. So just interchange your numbers for the same. So x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, which gives us x square plus 4x plus 4. I hope you have understood this. That's not a big deal. But let us take a different problem, which is in our book, which is let's say 3x plus 2y. Now let's look at this. Now we have got 3x plus 2y whole square. Now what children get confused here sometimes is the entire 3x is my A and the entire 2y is my B. Please don't forget this. हाँ, लोग क्या कर देंगे 3x square लिख देगा. The entire this term is your A and the entire 2y is your B. Now what does your formula say? Your formula says that you should go up as A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you should be very careful here. My A is now 3x whole square. What children do? They will write 3x square. No, it will be 9x square. Have you understood? The entire 3x is my A. You didn't sleep in the afternoon, maybe. It appears from your face. The entire 2y is my B. So A square plus 2ab plus b square. Did you get it? Do not write 3x square. Then you're going to get a laddu. 3x square means it will get a laddu. Entire term is A. So this gives us what? 9x square. 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 12xy plus 4y square. That's how. Have you understood? Can you then do 2x plus 5y whole square? Try to do this. 2x plus 5y whole square. Try to do this. And also try to do this also. These are example problems, but try and do 2 upon 3a plus 3 upon 4b. Now please understand the entire fraction term with the a is the a. The entire fraction term with the b is the b. 4x square plus 25y square. Very good. Try to do the next one. Here itself. There also remember the entire term is a. 3 by 4 b. Which one? There should be a whole square. How to do this problem without even looking at it? See, if you expand this will be what? 4 by 9 a square. This will be what? 9 by 16 b square. And you have got twice ab. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 4, 3 and 3 cancels. Another 2 comes for the twice AB. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 and 4 cancels. It will only be AB. It will only be AB. You can do it with your sight itself. A square is 4 by 9 A square. B square is 9 by 16 B square. Then 2AB. 3 and 3 cancels. 2 and 4 doesn't cancel, but it's 2AB. So one more 2 comes here. So 4 and 4 cancels. So it will be AB. You understand? Very good. So if that be the case, we have some time now. So shall we take up 6D? Try doing 6D now. Yeah, you can start. हाँ 6D करना start करो ना. डर किस बात की है? And on our Saturday class, we are bidding bye-bye to this. We have a 6E also. I think 6E is a revision. Yeah, 6E is a revision. So Saturday we will be bidding bye-bye to this chapter forever. And as we move to factorization. But we'll halt factorization. I think schools take factorization in the next term.